Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on April the 2nd, 2020. Trump set to arrange a truce in oil price war. U.S. President Donald Trump said he was invited U.S. oil executives to the White House to discuss ways to help the industry ravaged by slumping energy demand during the coronavirus outbreak and a price war between Saudi Arabia and Russia. Trump believed that two countries would make a deal to end their price war within a few days by lowering production and bringing prices back up. In the coming meetings with oil executives, U.S. President is expected to discuss a range of options to help the industry, including the possibility of tariffs on oil imports from Saudi Arabia. Among major drillers who will participate in the initial meeting on Friday, there are Exxon Mobil Corp, Chevron Corp, Occidental, Petroleum Corp, and Continental Resources. Amid this, crude oil prices jumped on Thursday, with Brent crude futures surged 11.36% to $27.55. While U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude contracts increased 10% to $22.34. British American Tobacco works on virus vaccine. British American Tobacco, the maker of brands including Lucky Strike, Dunhill, Rothmans, and Benton & Hedges, has said it has a potential coronavirus vaccine in development using tobacco plants. If testing goes well, BAT is hopeful that with the right partners and support from government agencies, between 1 million and 3 million doses of the vaccine could be manufactured per week beginning in June, the company stated. The London-listed firm pointed the positive aspects of its tobacco empire, saying that new fast-growing tobacco plant technology put it ahead of others trying to develop a vaccine. BAT said it is engaging with the Food and Drug Administration in the U.S. and the Department of Health and Social Care in the U.K. to offer access to companies' research with the aim to expedite the development of a vaccine for COVID-19. Cigarette maker also added that its U.S. biotech subsidiary Kentucky Bioprocessing has moved to preclinical testing and that it will work on the vaccine on a non-for-profit basis. Dubai provider OSN will stream Disney+. Walt Disney Co.'s Disney Plus content will be available for the first time in the Middle East and North Africa on regional pay television and online streaming service provider OSN from April the 9th. Dubai-headquartered OSN has signed a long-term exclusive distribution rights agreement, OSN Chief Executive Patrick Tiliox told, declining to disclose further details. Disney Plus original programming will be available on OSN's pay television and online streaming services in 17 regional markets, including Egypt, Lebanon, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. The online streaming service costs $9.50 a month. According to Dubai provider, it is the first time content of Disney Plus has been distributed through a third-party company. U.S. tightened rules for high-tech exports to China. The Trump administration is tightening rules to prevent China from obtaining advanced U.S. technology for commercial purposes and then diverting it to military use. The measures agreed to by senior U.S. officials in a meeting on Wednesday, but no finalized, would introduce hurdles that could be used to stop Chinese companies from buying certain optical materials, radar equipment, semiconductors, and other products from the United States. The move came as the relations between the United States and China, a key customer for U.S. technology, worsened over the deadly coronavirus pandemic, which originated in Wuhan, and tit-for-tat expulsions of journalists from each country. U.S. actions are also a sign of growing nervousness within the country's government over China's civil-military fusion promoted by President Xi Jinping, which aims to build up its military might and supercharge technological development in tandem.